this tripod is so sturdy. Like, you see this thing, this is not plastic. This thing is aluminium and it doesn't have any slip to it. I don't think this will ever break. It's a mini tripod, though. As you can see, it's a handheld tripod. This is the one I was using before. This one is actually strong too, but one of the leg broke and I have been managing it like this. But you see this particular one, look at this, guys. I see. Don't mind me, I'm actually very excited. This I paid 35 euros something. Anyways, I'm gonna leave the link in my description in case you want to, you know, check it out. Also, it came with this 3 strap. I think I don't know what, I'm gonna figure this out, but I think you can actually use this to strap your camera to something you get. Outside, I'm going to the shop, and we're already here. Yeah, the first shop I want to check out is Lidl. You guys know that they normally bring some new stuff like new arrivals. I need a juicer. Yeah, I need a juicer, and I want to see if they have it. Then I just check out other stores. I just feel like going out, seriously. I just feel like, not that I need something in particular, I just feel like going out, and I feel the only place I can go right now is the shop. Yeah, kind of a copy mechanism. I've not been feeling too good, just be feeling overwhelmed, and my only coping mechanism, or the only coping mechanism that I want right now, is shopping at Prevan. So there's this shop that I normally come to buy stuff. That's the store, Happy Stock. So they sell a little bit of everything. I'm gonna check that out too. And here we are in Lidl. Okay. Okay, this one. Si tu veux. Et ça c'est quoi? Cacahuètes, peanut butter. What's this one?
C'est la barre à papa.
C'est la barbe à papa?
Oui.
Ouais.
On peut se mettre en poisson. Okay.
Tu veux voir? Attends. Allez. Voilà. Okay. Hey guys, it's also peanut butter, but I don't know how it looks like inside. Let me just drop it. Cashew butter. I have something like this already I've not used it for once. This one is like stick and rose perfect. Yeah. Vibration, battery, and even what's that? So guys, I'm done in later. There's this shoe shop that is close to that is close by. I want to check it out. Normally they're always on sale. So let me see what they have.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a tom.
Seriously?
C'est 38?
Mais oui.
Bah prends.
Non merci, je prends pas. What do you mean? Don't like it. Said I should buy this one. This one is for mommy. It's for grandma.
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm
Hola amigos. Hola amigos.
En fait, c'est ça.
That one is Spanish.
My God!
What happened to your God?
Salut,
Did you guys hear that? My God. What happened to your God ever? Non. Pas vraiment, man. J'ai pas so con.
si t'avais tout dedans.
Come on. You mean? He said I have money in my bag or in my purse. I don't have money. These guys see this. They are always on sales. That's why I came. Because I know they are always on sales. That's why I'm here. Yeah. Paw Patrol. And non, c'est petit ça. Fais voir. C'est 27. Faut 28 pour toi. C'est tout petit. So guys, I'm out of the shoe shop. I didn't buy anything. A lot of shoe and I've not even some that I've not even worn. I'm just trying, really trying to save my money these days. Like I used to buy back happy stuff. Did I say? Look at my shopping body. Hey.
my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Guys, look at this. This is so cute. And €8. I feel like buying one, seriously. Black emotion. I feel like buying one. Je prends lesquels en fait, j'ai envie. Seriously, j'ai envie de prendre ça. This one, golden. Let me try this one. Yes. I don't know.
Je vais sentir. Je vais sentir. Je vais sentir. Ça sent bon.
T'es sûr?
Oui.
Moi, je sens pas.
Tu sens pas?
Non.
Prends celui-là.
Efficace.
Bon, prends elle alors.
C'est quoi?
Elle.
Laisse tomber. I'm not buying any one. I have perfume. I don't know why I feel like I need one. I have perfume. Not just perfume, I have perfumes at home. Not this one. The packaging is just.
Alors on achète ça.
Well, this one is not bad.
Attends.
Yeah, this one is not bad. Tu l'as pris où? Touche pas, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est
On
bon.
va sentir raison.
Non, 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 faut pas tout sentir, c'est bon. Merci. C'est bon. Allez, viens. Pause, Yedi. To show you guys the things that I bought. I did bought some food stuff, but I just want to show you guys this, not the food stuff. Two nail polish. This two is from Maybelline. One is face primer, and it's from, I don't know the brand, but yeah, I just decided to buy it, and €6.90. And this is a body mist. You can see €5.99. And this one is the perfume. It's €4, I think. Yeah, but I'm gonna put it in my toilet. The conjac sponge exfoliates my face, and yeah, that's basically everything. And yeah, this is